Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of woodworking, and we've got something special for you. If you're a woodworking enthusiast or a professional carpenter, you know the importance of having the right tools for the job. In this video, we're going to showcase 15 must-have professional woodworking tools that will take your craft to the next level. Number 1. The 60, 90, and 120-degree multi-angle Pro Corner Clamp for Woodworking Set of 4 by Carson Carpentry offers versatility and ease of use for woodworking projects. These clamps can fix two boards or glass at 60, 90, or 120-degree angles, providing flexibility for various tasks. With a simple one-handed operation, they set up instantly and securely, accommodating boards of thicknesses ranging from 0.1 foot to 1.25. The adjustable spring-loaded design ensures a tight grip on workpieces, making them suitable for building wooden boxes, furniture, cabinets, DIY projects, and more. These clamps are essential tools for achieving precise angles and secure joints in woodworking projects, catering to both hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 2. The WorkPro CounterSync Drill Bit Set is a comprehensive kit designed for woodworking and carpentry projects. It includes drill bits in various sizes, from number 4 to number 12, along with 5 gold screw countersinks. With a 1/4-inch hex shank, these bits can be easily used with power drills and quick-change chucks. Made from high-grade carbide-tipped material, they are durable and fully sharpened for efficient drilling and extended life. Compatible with drilling machines with chucks, these bits are ideal for drilling holes in wooden boards or floors. They deliver precise punching and feature an external thread design for waste discharge during drilling, ensuring successful operations. Overall, the WorkPro CounterSync Drill Bit Set offers durability, versatility, and precision for woodworking tasks, whether for DIY projects or professional use. Number 3. The Powertech 71002 Abrasive Cleaning Stick is a durable and versatile tool essential for maintaining sanding equipment. Constructed from professional-grade all-natural rubber, it effectively removes sawdust, pitch, gum, glue, and other residues without damaging the grit. With its extended length and sizable girth, it can handle various sandpaper cleaning tasks. Using the stick is simple. Just hold it against the abrasive while the sander is running to remove buildup and debris, restoring the sanding surface to like new condition. Suitable for cleaning sanding belts, disc sanders, drum sanders, skateboard grip tape, and even rubber bottom shoes, it's a must-have for woodworking shops and beyond. Overall, the Powertech 71002 Abrasive Cleaning Stick ensures optimal performance and extends the lifespan of your sanding equipment. Number 4. The Clark Brothers Marking Knife is a premium woodworking tool designed for creating durable wooden pieces with precision. Its double-edged carbon steel blade offers versatility for both hands, ensuring better grip and control. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, the blade maintains sharpness for precise marking on various wood types, including hardwoods like cherry and ash. With its durable construction, this marking knife reduces the need for frequent edge maintenance while providing consistent performance. Featuring a classic paddock wood handle with the Clark Brothers logo, it offers both elegance and functionality. Comfortable to grip, the handle facilitates easy and quick wood marking, making it an essential tool for woodworking projects. Number 5. The VEVER Thickness Planer is a robust woodworking tool designed to handle large cuts in broad materials effortlessly. With a powerful 2,000-watt, 15-amp motor and an 8,000 RPM cutter head speed, it ensures excellent performance. The planer features a feeding speed of 236 inch per minute, 6 meter per minute, a max cutting width of 13 inch, 330 millimeters, and adjustable planing depth and height for versatility. Equipped with foldable tables and a detachable stand, it offers extra operating space and flexibility. Adjusting the cutter head height is effortless with the crank handle, while the scale enables precise thickness control. Safety features include a dust exhaust interface, electromagnetic switch, and 2 return rollers, ensuring stability and reliability during operation. Suitable for planing various materials such as wood, bamboo, and lining nylon, it delivers smooth finishes for professional and DIY woodworking projects. Overall, the VEVER thickness planer combines power, convenience, and versatility, making it a valuable tool for woodworking tasks of all kinds. Number 6. The Fulton Woodworking Tools Xtreme Drill Press Dust Collector is a highly advanced solution for maintaining a clean and debris-free work area. Its innovative design ensures a clear view of the drill point while effectively collecting dust and debris right from the source. Featuring multi-axis adjustability, it can be easily positioned to suit your specific needs. Compatible with any size drill press, from benchtop to floor models, it offers universal compatibility. With 2 different nozzles, including a tapered nozzle and mini dust hood, it allows for precise dust collection and minimizes dust kickup during sanding. This versatile dust collector can be used with various materials, including wood, metal, and composites. With its patent-pending design, the Xtreme Drill Press Dust Collector represents a game-changing addition to any woodworking or metalworking shop, ensuring a cleaner and healthier work environment. Number 7. The DFM Tool Small Square and Center Finder is a versatile addition to any woodworking toolkit. Its 11/32 inch, 0.34 inch center marking hole accommodates larger pencils, allowing for precise center marks with ease. This multifunctional tool serves as both a small square and a marking center finder, streamlining woodworking tasks and ensuring accurate line transfers. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is essential for achieving unparalleled precision in woodworking projects. With its multifunctional design and precise performance, the DFM Small Square and Center Finder is a valuable asset for woodworking professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 8. The Microjig Matchfit DVC 700 Wrap Dovetail Ratchet Clamp AP is a precision clamping tool designed for professional jig building and woodworking. Its exclusive anti-pivot spring ensures the arm stays in place, allowing for easy adjustments. With the Matchfit Dovetail Track system, you can create custom tracks using just a router bit, providing endless T-track options. The efficient ratchet mechanism allows for quick tightening, while the secure hold prevents vibrations during sanding or carving. This bundle includes 2 clamps, offering versatility and convenience for woodworking projects. Overall, the Microjig Matchfit DVC 700 Wrap Dovetail Ratchet Clamp AP is a reliable and efficient tool for woodworking tasks. Number 9. The DeWalt 20-volt Max Belt Sander is a cordless, brushless tool designed for efficient sanding tasks. With variable speed control and a speed selection dial, it offers ultimate speed and application control. Changing sandpaper is quick and easy with the quick-release belt change system. The overmold auxiliary handle allows for 2-handed operation and provides a better grip for precise applications. Dust collection is made efficient with the tool-free dust chute, compatible with DeWalt's airlock system or a standard 35mm dust extractor. When paired with compatible DeWalt vacuum or dust extractor, the wireless tool control feature enhances ease of use and efficiency. Overall, it's a versatile and convenient tool for professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Number 10. The SAER 4-in-1 Router Milling Groove Bracket is a professional woodworking tool designed for precision and versatility. It excels at milling round grooves, cutting round blocks, and engraving round centers with quick positioning. Its detachable design allows for effortless assembly and disassembly, enhancing adaptability and convenience. The tool's aluminum alloy foundation provides stability and transforms into a router milling groove bracket when mounted onto a trimmer, offering a customizable solution for various woodworking needs. Crafted with upgraded aluminum alloy construction, it ensures unparalleled stability and precision in woodworking tasks, delivering accurate results on different types of boards. Overall, the SAER 4-in-1 Router Milling Groove Bracket is a must-have for woodworking projects requiring precision and versatility. Number 11. The Avid Power 6.5 amp 1.2 6.5 HP compact router is a robust tool designed for woodworking tasks. Its 6.5 amp motor delivers ample power for various applications, while the variable speed control dial allows for precise adjustments between 10,000 and 32,000 RPM. The smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system ensures accurate operation, complemented by dual bright LED lights for enhanced visibility in dark areas. With a rubber-covered handle and quick locking system, it offers comfort and convenience during use. Constructed with durable aluminum housing and a dust hood, this router ensures longevity and cleanliness in the workspace. Overall, it's a reliable and efficient tool for woodworking projects. Number 12. The Gomake 4-in-1 Carpenter Square is a versatile woodworking tool designed to streamline your tasks. It allows for easy drawing and checking of squares and angles from 0 to 90 degrees, increasing efficiency and precision for woodworkers. With 1/16-inch graduations, it ensures accurate line drawing with no errors, accommodating most woodworking pencils. The clear, durable scales make reading and drawing lines easy. Its quick angle measuring feature, with angle positioning holes and a fixed angle pin, enables swift measurement and precise angle lines. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, it's durable and sturdy, with an upgraded 4 by 5-inch larger size for convenient drawing. Overall, it's a reliable tool for various woodworking needs. Number 13. The Blockcision Setup Blocks woodworking tools offer a convenient solution to speed up your woodworking setup. With 16 precision setup blocks, you can quickly set the height of your fence, blades, and bits, saving time and effort. These aluminum setup bars are designed to provide incredible precision, with each bar precise to plus or minus 0.001 inch, allowing measurements from 1/16 inch to 1 inch in 1/32 inch increments. What sets the Blockcision gauge block set apart is its unique ruler markings on each bar. Unlike other sets that only mark the 123 block, every single bar in this set is graduated, enabling you to make measurements on the fly with ease. Crafted from solid metal, these setup blocks are built to withstand the rigors of busy workshops. The aluminum alloy construction ensures durability and resistance to dents, while the laser-engraved markings never scratch off, providing long-lasting usability. Whether you're setting up your table saw blade or router, these setup blocks will help you achieve next-level accuracy in your woodworking projects. Number 14. The WorkPro 13-inch nail puller is a versatile tool designed for home remodeling, professional carpentry, and woodworking projects. Featuring a special rocking head and a 13-inch long I-beam handle, this nail puller provides a tremendous leverage advantage for easy nail removal. The cat's paw nail digger with a flat striking face enhances efficiency in pulling nails while minimizing wood damage. Its unique rocking head design gradually pulls out nails with each rocking motion, making it effortless to remove various types of nails. Constructed from high-quality steel, this pry bar is durable and rust-resistant, ensuring reliable performance. It's the top choice for carpenters, roofers, homeowners, and DIYers for demolition work, home remodeling, and woodworking projects. Number 15. The Ryoba Japanese Pull Saw 9.5-inch and Flush Cut Saw 6-inch are premium-grade woodworking tools crafted with superior quality materials. These saws feature stainless steel blades, hard beechwood handles, black rattan handle covers, and handmade finishes, ensuring durability and longevity even under intensive use. With superior grip handles, these wood cutting tools provide comfort and user-friendly experience, allowing for proper grip, maximum maneuverability, and optimal safety during use. The saws are equipped with flexible blades that can be easily replaced. The set includes blade replacement tools, enabling smooth and hassle-free blade replacement without the need for professional assistance or expensive tools. Featuring an authentic Japanese design, these saws boast beautiful wooden handles with black rattan accents and a distinctive black logo on the blades, adding aesthetic appeal to your woodworking arsenal. These Japanese hand saws are incredibly versatile, catering to the needs of professional carpenters, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're working on carpentry projects, woodworking tasks, or arts and crafts projects, These saws are sure to meet your various cutting needs with precision and efficiency.